Imagine building a house using nothing but sticks, mud, stone, and your bare hands. Now compare that to constructing a modern skyscraper with AI-powered design, software, robots, and advanced machinery. Both achieve the same goal, creating shelter. But the journey couldn't be more different. Today, we're diving into primitive tech versus modern tech to discover how far humanity has come, what we've gained, and surprisingly, what we've lost along the way. Some of these comparisons may completely change how you think about technology. Let's begin. Thousands of years ago, building a shelter required only natural resources and human effort. People used wood, stone, mud, leaves, animal hides. Everything came directly from nature. The process was slow but effective. Communities worked together using knowledge passed down through generations. Fast forward to today. Modern construction uses steel, concrete, glass, heavy machinery, computer-aided design. What once took months can now be completed much faster. Yet there's something fascinating about primitive methods. They required deep knowledge of local environments and materials. This is one of the most interesting aspects of primitive tech versus modern tech, the trade-off between simplicity and efficiency. Shelters are important, but what about something even more essential? Food. Primitive humans relied on hunting, gathering, and small-scale farming. Every meal required effort. Tracking animals, collecting plants, growing crops manually. Food production depended heavily on weather, seasons, and physical labor. Today, technology has transformed agriculture completely. Modern farms use GPS-guided tractors, drones, automated irrigation, AI-powered crop monitoring. Farmers can monitor thousands of acres using data and sensors. Crop yields have increased dramatically. Food production has become more efficient than ever. But many traditional farming techniques are still valued for sustainability and environmental balance. From food production, let's move to another area where the difference is astonishing. Communication. Imagine needing weeks or even months to send a message. For most of human history, that's exactly how communication worked. People relied on messengers, letters, signal fires, carrier pigeons. Information traveled slowly, sometimes extremely slowly. Today, a message can reach someone across the planet instantly. Smartphones allow us to text, call, video chat, share information worldwide in seconds. This comparison perfectly highlights primitive tech versus modern tech because communication may be one of the most transformed aspects of human life. Distance has become almost irrelevant, but communication isn't the only thing that became faster. Transportation experienced an even greater revolution. For thousands of years, travel was slow. People walked, used animals, or traveled by simple boats. Long-distance journeys could take weeks, months, or even years. Now compare that with today. Modern transportation includes cars, high-speed trains, commercial aircraft, electric vehicles, autonomous driving systems. What once required months can now be completed in hours. Technology has effectively shrunk the world. Yet primitive transportation had one major advantage. It required far fewer resources and produced far less environmental impact. Speaking of resources, let's compare how humans solved problems using tools. Primitive tools were simple but effective. Stone axes, wooden spears, handmade knives, basic farming equipment. Everything was built using available materials. Today, modern tools include power drills, laser cutters, robotic systems, 3D printers, artificial intelligence. Modern technology allows us to solve problems at incredible speed. Yet primitive technology often required creativity and adaptability. People understood their tools deeply because they built them themselves. This balance between convenience and understanding is a major theme in primitive tech versus modern tech. If you're enjoying these technology comparisons and want more videos exploring innovation, engineering, and the evolution of human civilization, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from Tech Neon. One of humanity's earliest technologies was fire. Fire provided warmth, protection, cooking, and eventually enabled early industry. Today, our energy sources are vastly more advanced. We use electricity, solar power, wind energy, hydroelectric systems, advanced battery technology. Entire cities can now be powered by sophisticated energy networks. The scale difference is incredible. Primitive societies managed energy locally. Modern societies distribute energy across continents. And now let's compare perhaps the most powerful technology of all, knowledge itself. For much of history, knowledge was difficult to access. Books were rare. Education was limited. Information spread slowly. Learning often depended on direct experience. Today, a smartphone provides access to more information than entire ancient civilizations possessed. The internet has transformed education completely. People can learn almost anything from anywhere. Programming, engineering, science, languages, history. This may be the biggest difference in primitive tech versus modern tech. Access to knowledge has become nearly universal, and that's changing the future of humanity itself. Today we've explored shelter building, food production, communication, transportation, tools, energy, and information. The comparison between primitive tech versus modern tech reveals something fascinating. Modern technology offers incredible speed, convenience, and efficiency. Primitive technology teaches valuable lessons about sustainability, self-reliance, and understanding the world around us. The future may not be about choosing one over the other. It may be about combining the best aspects of both. But here's where things get really interesting. Some researchers are now developing technologies inspired directly by ancient methods and natural systems. Could the next technological revolution actually come from ideas thousands of years old? In our next video, we'll explore the ancient innovations that are inspiring the future of technology, and some of them are absolutely mind-blowing. See you in the next one.